Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to do the kitchen measurement conversion transfer. This is one of our newest transfers in our spring collection here that just launched last week. It's absolutely adorable and it's Farmhouse kitchen perfection. So this is Carly, my assistant, and we are working on this transfer together. Carly's applying our beautiful couture teal to all of the little polka dot breakout points for this design. And then I'm using our Chalkology paste in bright white, and we just swipe over the screen. It's so easy to make adorable artwork, home decor projects, literally on any surface that you can find. This adorable chalkboard I actually picked up. It was one of the daily steals on decorsteals.com. They're not currently listed on there, but keep your eyes peeled and hopefully they'll come back. Now, once you have all the places covered up, you simply peel your transfer, wash it, and reuse it, and you are left with adorable artwork to really add some jazz to your kitchen.